And it's time now for Ask Andrew. Andrew's taking all of your questions, weather related only. No more trivia questions, Andrew. And he's answering them with his excellent expertise. So what do you have for us this week?
Yes, Ava, now you're on my turf, as they say, with some weather related questions that are coming in. We actually had something happen this weekend. In case you missed it, astronomical winter now has begun. It was the winter solstice yesterday on Sunday. Barry from Davenport was wondering, how does the winter solstice differ from meteorological winter? So as of today, or yesterday I should say, either way you slice it, we're in winter. Doesn't matter if it's meteorological or the winter solstice. But let's talk about the winter solstice while we're here. So what does that mean? It essentially means that now the strongest part of the sun's direct energy is being focused south of the equator. We're starting to see that gradually lift back to the north as we get closer to, say, February, March. That's how the tilt of the Earth's axis works. Here's what that means in terms of the length of day and night. So right now, the tilt of the Earth on its axis gives us more nighttime. There you see 13 and a half hours of darkness in our area of the planet. You go to the equator, it's exactly 12 hours of darkness and 12 hours of daylight. You head back south, though, notice the amount of darkness dissipates quickly. So, of course, south of the equator right now, they're in the summer season, while here to the north, we're in the winter, because all of that sun's energy is being focused to the equator and points south. Now, that will change once we get to the spring equinox, and then, of course, the summer solstice, as that sun's energy begins to focus its attention a little further to the north. The difference between the two, the winter solstice is signaling where the sun's energy is located, whereas meteorological winter, it starts December 1st because that's when we notice the average temperature begins cooling off dramatically. So it's all about the date between the two.